I wanted to spend 1 or 2 minutes on just some comparisons of lists, sets, and tuples because I think they're very similar. They seem very similar. However, they're different enough to talk about. So if you'd like, you can pause this video and review this table that I've created, which has differences and similarities between lists, sets, and tuples. Some things that I'll point out are ordered, mutable for lists, and they can change, but they preserve order. Sets are unordered, they can change. Tuples are ordered, they cannot change. The syntax of creating them. Are duplicates allowed? If you don't want any duplicates in a variable, use a set. If that would be an easy way to make sure there are no duplicates. They can all contain mixed data types. Sets do not support indexing. There's various use cases for each of these with some examples. Lists have a ton of methods that we can work with. The others don't have a whole lot. They're more narrow use cases. Some notes about performance, and again, mutability or immutability. So I wanted to share that with you briefly and just give you a chance to soak that all in. Some similarities and differences between lists, sets, and tuples.